Good morning, sir.
Teacher, kalau teacher tiam na tayo ba?
Hello students, write your name and roll number.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, huh? Okay, sir, 32 present.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good
Okay,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Very good
Good morning.
morning. Mehndi Rasbaria present. Kasim Gadia present. Chania Mehndi Hassan present. Abbas Gawani present. Sheikh Mehndi
Sir, Abedi Mohammed Mehndi present.
20 present.
Lakhani Faranali
28 present. 1 minute, beta. 24 present. Lakhani Farhan. 16 Halari. Rehan is present. Roll number 2, Abedi Mohammed Mehndi present. Lakhani Farhan, Abedi Mohammed Mehndi present. Haryani Reza.
Sir, present Haryani Reza.
Yes, present. Mehndi Abbas, 44 present. 44 present. 16, 8, 14. Dark Shirley. Roll number 9, Dar Mubassir. Okay, now any other students is there? I repeat the roll number 2, roll number 9, roll number 9, roll number 8, roll number 6, 14, 15, 16, 17, 24, 28,
Sir,
32,
17.
17.
Yes.
Write in chat box. Haryani Reza
Sir,
na?
लिखी दी
Reza.
तू रेजा
Roll number 10 also share lip.
Sir, loan number 2 present.
Yes, present. 41 also present, then
Loan number
40,
70 present.
43 present. Okay, now I will share one screen with you of lesson number 12. You know how much we completed and we are there at the point.
Good morning, sir.
On your yes, beta, good morning. On your mobile screen, there will be a PDF file. Just you check out and we will read and explain.
Okay, sir.
You have to read and I will explain from here. The lesson is this one. What we started last time?
લેસન સર આખું આવ્યું નંબર 12 આખું બે ગુદાદા
Lesson number 12. We completed this 12.4 or not? Yes, we are here in the spore formation. 138 page. For permission now, I want to ask to read Datari. Datari. Chania Mendes.
હેલો
Chania Mendes read spore formation.
Spore formation. In chapter 1, you learned that the fungi on a bread piece grow from spores which are present in the air. Repeat activity
હા બોલો
1.2. Observe the spores in the cotton like mesh on the bread. When spores are released, they keep floating in the air. As they are very light, they can cover long distances. Spores are asexual reproductive bodies. Each spore is covered by a hard protective coat to withstand unfavorable conditions such as high temperature and low humidity, so they can survive for a long time. Under favorable conditions, a spore germinates and develops into a new individual plants, such as moss and ferns, also reproduce by means of spores.
Very good. Now see, spore formation means what? If you place a piece of bread in a corner for 2 3 days, you will get some fungi on a piece of bread. So that we are getting from the spore present in the air. So spore transfer from one place to other place by the air. Okay. Second thing, if there is that is the again uh, development. Now sexual reproduction, and that will read out by the Govani Abbas Ali. Roll number 15.
યસ સર ક્યાંથી વાંચું સર
Govani Abbas read.
ક્યાં સે વાંચું
12.2.
ક્યાંથી વાંચું સર
12.2.
12.2 12.2 you have learned early the structure of a flower. You know that the flower are the reproductive part of a plant. Stems are the male reproductive part and pistil is the female reproductive part. Fig point 12.9.
Okay. Now I will show you figure 12.9 first, and then we will explain. I explain you now. Now say starman. He-man, not starman is the flower male reproductive part, and stigma is female reproductive part. In stamen, there is a two things: the anther and filament. In stigma, aureole, and style. These three parts is there. So, an exam say that if I write the parts of reproductive part in a plant, then you will get this part. Clear? So, in a stamen, there is an anther and filament. In a filament, there is a three part: the ovary, bottom, from where egg is produced, then style, and finally opposite there is a stigma. Read. Go on, you only read. Go on, your pass, not there.
Yes, sir.
Read.
Male and female UXL flower many pea parents in the same plant or in different plants. Could you identify the another and the fragment of a statement 6.12.9? A. Another contains pollen grains which produce male gametes. A pistil consists of stigma, stele, and ovary. Ovary contains one or more ovules. The female gamete or egg is formed in oval 6.12.9b. Point in sexuals reproduce a male and a female gamete fused from a zygote.
So that is a zygote. Okay.
Zygote.
Now
Zygote.
say already I said that stamen and stick pistil, these are the male and female reproductive part. Stamen is the male reproductive part, and pistils are the female reproductive part. Now say if stamen and stigma is there in a flower, same flower, that is self-pollination. But if stamen and stigma are they different in a, then it is called cross-pollination. Stamen and stigma. If you look at this one, only points. Read now. Read. Go on your pass.
Sir, may I read करूं?
No.
Generally, pollen grains have a thought productive coat which prevents from drying up since pollen grains like the can the carried by sir ऊपर करो तो रखो carried water instead with flower and carry away pollen on their bodies. Some of the pollen lands on the stigma of a flower of the some kind. The transfer of a pollen from the another to the stigma of a flower is called pollination. In the pollen lands on the stigma of the some flower of another flower of the some plant, it is called self-pollination. When the pollen of a flower land and the stigma of a flower of a different plant of the some kinds, it is called cross pollination. 6.12.10a and b.
Okay, very good. Reading. See, pollination means what? Transfer of pollen grain, stamen to stigma. That we call pollination. So what is pollination? In a short way, what you say? Transfer of pollen grain from stamen to stigma. Who will repeat? Who will speak now? Pollination. What is pollination? Transfer pollen grain one place to other place. No anyone can say. Anyone can switch off microphone and say what is pollination. Yes, I from pollen grain to stigma, they pollination.
Hello, sir. Hello. Voice is not coming.
Okay, nobody want to give answer. So I will continue. Pollen is pollination. Connection is
Sir,
there.
અવાજ નથી આવતો તમને.
Getting my voice?
Sir, voice cut
Getting my voice?
Yes. Yes.
Getting my voice clear?
Yes, sir. अब आ गई.
Now say pollination means what? Transfer of pollen grain from stamen to stigma. Okay, so that is the one point. Second thing what? That is about the types of pollination. Two types of pollination is there. One is self-pollination and other one is a cross-pollination. I already explained you that when pollination is there, either the self cross-pollination, you remember the difference between them. Self-pollination means transfer of pollen grain by the same flower. But in a cross-pollination, pollen grain transfers from stamen to stigma in different flowers. Okay. Now fertilization. Read. Getting my voice clear? Getting voice clear?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. The cell which result after fusion of the gametes, that is called zygote, and the process of fusion of male and female gametes we call is the fertilization. Okay. Now you see, first we remember this fertilization means what? Cell from male and female fused, we get a zygote. Okay, and this process of fusion is called fertilization. Okay, process of fusion of male and female gametes, and we call it is a fertilization. Now That zygote is formed and it develops and turn into embryo. Remember this point well. Now fruits and seeds formation. Fruits and seed formation. Who will read now? Lakotra. Who will read?
હું રીડ કરું. અબ્બાસલી ગોણ.
Good. Go on, you read better.
After fertilization, the ovary grows into a fruit and other parts of it. The flowers fall off. The fruit is the reprint over the since develop from the ovulus. Develop from the ovulus. The seed contain an herbo enclosed in a porticky seed coat. Some fruit are fleshy and such and has mango and orange. Some fruit are hard like almonds and walnuts, figs.
Very good. See, fruits and seed formation after fertilization means once fertilization is process over, ovary grows and turn into fruit. Ovary turn into fruit, and rest of the part of flower is fall down. Rest of the part fall down, and when the fruit is ripen, the fruit is the ripened ovary. Fruit is what? We are saying no fruit, but actually it's a ovary, ripen ovary, and seed develop from the ovule. See, ovule is the part of female reproductive cell of plant. Ovule also, ovule from where egg is produced. Okay, so the seed developed from the ovule. Seed contain an embryo enclosed in a protective seed coat. Remember that the seed contain embryo. Okay, seed contain embryo, and is this embryo enclosed in a protective cell, and that is seed coat. That is seed coat. What we call seed coat. Some fruits are fleshy and juicy. Fleshy and juicy, like a mango and orange. You know that mango and orange are fruit, and they are juicy as well as they are fleshy. While some other fruits are there, they are hard like almond and walnut. Almond and walnut are hard. So this
Sir,
one is about
observe.
the types of fruits.
Sir,
One
what you?
is, what's your name?
Abbasli Goan.
Wow, beta, wow. Goani Abbas, read. Continue. 12.4.
12.4 seed dispersal. In natural, some kinds of plants grow at different places. This happens because seeds are dispersed to different places. Sometimes after a walk through a forest or a field or a park. You may have found seeds or fruit sticking to our clothes.
1 minute. See, in nature, naturally there are some kinds of plant grow at the different places.
Aku
See, uh, suppose plants are there, trees are and different like herbs, shrubs surrounding our home. That is okay because we planted that. But if you get a plant in a forest, so who went there and did seeding process? No one. But then also there is a plant. Okay, some places are there we are not planting, but plants grow itself. So how it possible? That is possible due to seed dispersal. Seed is dispersed from place to another place. Okay, one place to other place. Okay, so when seed is moved from one place to different places, plants grow over there. Now question is there, how seeds move? We have legs, that is why we can move. Okay, vehicles have wheels, so doing mechanical work that can move. But how seed move from one place to other place? Do you have any idea how seeds move flow from one place to other place? Seeds move from one place to other place. How it moves from one place to other place? Anyone can say from you?
sir,
Fall
Yes,
from
sir, who?
yes.
by
Question who?
falling
How
down.
s-
Sir, too
how
दाखिने.
how how seed is moved from one place to other place? You know, we are eating mango. Inside the mango, there is a seed. We are eating orange. Inside there is a seed, white color. We eat chiku. Inside the chiku, there is a one black color seed. We eat watermelon. Inside there is a seed. Seeds, many
Black.
seeds are there, black colors. Now, my question is how these seeds move from one place to other place. Not only these fruits, all kind of plant. How seeds transfer from one place to other place. Just like we people are moving from place to place by using vehicles like cycle, scooter, rickshaw, bus, train, truck, or aeroplane. So, how these seeds move from one place to other place? Anyone has any idea? Will you give answer?
Sir, more question.
Question is how seeds move from one place to other place?
By falling
Sir,
down.
By?
Falling
falling down.
down from trees.
Okay, falling down from trees is the correct answer, but falling down from trees, then it will be grow there only, not elsewhere. If seeds falling down from trees, then it will be grow nearby the tree only. But we are getting in forest, we are getting our surrounding. How it possible? Who went in the forest?
Birds.
Good. What's your name?
Azarmukhi.
Hmm?
Azarmukhi.
Azarmukhi, clap for Azarmukhi. All of you do clap for this Azarmukhi. He is giving a exactly, absolutely right answer. Birds, when birds are flying in the sky from place to place, sometimes what happens, seeds stuck with their body, and that seeds is move from place to place. So that is one thing, birds. Second, animals also there. Third one, air. By the air, winds are blowing, especially light in weight. If seeds are light in weight, then it's travel from place to place by the air. And one more is there, and that is water. Wind, water, animals, birds, and finally, we are planting trees by using seeds. So these are the process of seed dispersal. So in exam we ask you question, what is seed dispersal? You have to say that seed dispersal means what? Planting a plant. Sorry, a transfer of seeds from place to other place. That is a seed dispersal. Good. Now Mukhizer, you are getting chance to read because you are giving right answer. You only now complete this rest of all part of the chapter. Read.
Did you try to observe how these seeds were clinging to your clothes? What do you think will happen if you all seeds of a plant were to fall at the same place and grow there? The would be severe competition for sunlight, water, minerals, and spaces. As a result, the seeds would not grow into healthy plants. Plants
Benefit.
benefit by this seed dispersal. It presents where
Prevents.
competition
Prevents.
between prevents competition between the plant and its own seedings of for sunlight, water, and mineral. It also enables the plant is invite new habits for wider distribution.
Distribution.
Seeds, seeds and fruit of plant are carried away by wind, water, and animal winged seeds such as those of drumstick and maple.
Light seeds of grasses.
Seed,
No.
seeds of grasses. सर तुम्हारा फोन है वो seeds of grasses or hairy seeds of yak, madder, and hair, fruit of sunflower. 6.12.4 AB. Get blown off with the wind to faraway places. Some seed and dispersed by water. These fruit or seed usually develop floating ability in the form of spongy or
Spongy.
fires
Spongy.
spongy
Spongy.
or spongy
Spongy.
or
IBS.
spongy or fibrous outer coat in has in
Coconut.
coconut. Some seeds are dispersed by animal if
So
specially
by E silent is there specially.
specially seeds
Wait, wait,
with
wait.
hawks which get attacked to the bodies of animal and are carried to distant place. Example are
Xanthium,
exnet,
xanthium,
xanthium,
and
xanthium pig,
urena.
urena. Some seeds are dispersed when the fruit bursts with sudden jerks.
Jerks.
Jerks. The seeds are
Scattered.
scattered far from the parent plant. The happens in
This
the
happen.
cases. This happen is the cases of castor and blossom.
Castor and balsam.
Castor and blossom.
Okay. Now see, reading work is completed. Only explanation work I will do of this last point next time. Abbas, Govani read very well. Now you can left because 12:01 time is there, noon time. Take lunch, enjoy, and study well. Next
Bye
time,
bye,
lecture is
sir.
there. Next time, bye bye.
Bye, 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 sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye 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 bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye. Hello, hello, hello.